Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Kamal. In the previous video we have impersonated Base Anglin, and now I'm going to re-impersonate, or I'm going to log out from the impersonation and go back to the admin, which is Muhammad Kamal is the admin, or you can click on the recent impersonation. Alright, so go back to my instance right here. So over here today we're going to look at some of the basic things. So I'm gonna first take you to the incident table. So I'll take you here incident, and actually I'm gonna click all the incidents and just click here the table name. So what we have here is the incidents table, and this incident is the incident number is here, and then the caller who called this incident, here is the name. Opened is the date where the incident was opened, and the date is the date it's going to be closed, and then the urgency can be 3 low, 1 medium, or 1 high, and then the state of the incident, this one is an open incident. So in case if you wanna make it on hold, resolved, or closed, you can click in any of them. And this is the source description. It was just a sample, and then this is called activity tracker. So the incident was first opened by Mohammed. This was back in 05/2018. So if the incident was updated, resolved, or deleted, we can do that here. And then the next thing what I want to show you guys, so if you click here on this additional action menu, and if you can come back here, you can configure this form, the incident table form. So you can use either form design or form layout. I'm going to show you what the difference of form design and form layout. So under form design, if I click that one, I will have a new link, or link will open, and then you will have such kind of thing. This is called a form design, where you can design by drag and drop. So it's a kind of drag and drop. Let's say if I do one number, I just gonna cancel it or remove it, and if I need active, I will drag from here, from the field from field to the design table. All right, so let's go ahead and see the other one, configure and form layout. If I click form layout, so I'll have a different way, which is here are the available and here are the selected. So you can get anything from the available to the selected. So you make it available and then you save right here. Perfect. So that's all about for today, and next we're gonna learn how to do how to create table using the studio. Until then,